Today we are going to be unboxing this guy. I have not taken it out of the packaging yet, so backstory on this. So you guys know I did a keyboard unboxing a while ago. I will admit that. It was a while ago. But it wasn't a long while ago. It was only a year. And it was for my Redragon K550, which you see right there. It is my beautiful full-size keyboard. It has Acco CS lavender purple switches in it. I lubed and band-aid modded the stabilizers, some of them. And so like the spacebar sounds alright. It has Have-It pudding keycaps on it. This is my main keyboard, my daily driver. It has all my macros for scene switches up here. Well, can't really switch, but yeah, see? It's got all my... It's kind of like a Stream Deck. And it's got... I love number pads. I use them a lot just for general, like, information. I have arrow keys. I have my print screen key. But this is going to be a little bit different. Because as you can see here, this does not look like the size of a full-size keyboard. This is a 60%. I won this keyboard in a giveaway. I was one of, I think, 4 winners. It will be a good start to actually, you know, having a moddable keyboard. As some people who may or may not have been in the stream might remember, I tried to mod this keyboard around Christmas time, and I couldn't for the life of me get the Redragon logo off the top of the keyboard. So I couldn't get in and like foam mod or tape mod it. But with this one, I will be able to do just that. And I am very excited about it. With that in mind, without showing my address, let's open up the packaging. Alright. We are unboxing the Redragon K617 FIZZ. What's up? Hello, Plague. You come from the Discord, don't ya? Freedom! And thank you for the follow.
Plague is now following.
It is above my head. As you can tell, I play Counter-Strike and Valorant normally. I'm ranked Diamond 1 in Valorant, Silver Elite Master in Counter-Strike. That's a very old clip. I mean, at least they've stuck to the same packaging. I like the consistency. And it's actually cool that they have the purple switches on this one and the red switches on this one. And I'm gonna be completely honest. I've never used a red switch. Anybody here that doesn't know what the K617 FIZZ is, it is Redragon's most stylish 60%, in my opinion. It's the most unconventionally named with their keyboards. A lot of them are very mythology themed. The next keyboard that they're releasing is to be named the Noctis. 60%. It's got dustproof or boxed red switches. But we shall break the seal and open it up. And I will probably end up modding this board. Alright, let's move the mic out of the way. Let's aim down. Good presentation. Oh, it comes with a switch puller. And a keycap puller in the same thing. It's so it's one of the very simple switch pullers. I have my own. It is in here somewhere. Yep, here it is. That will be joining this. I do have my own switch puller and keycap puller combined. So here's the USB Type-C cable with a right angle, as the cable is on the side. This is... Oh, wait, are these extra switches? I think these are extra switches. Yeah, these are extra switches. You get 4. They are, I assume, Redragon branded reds. Yep, they are Redragon branded switches. They are linear switches, obviously. Oh no, the switches, the pins are wider, I think. I'm a very frazzled streamer. And then the keyboard. Oh, there's a... I assume this is the user guide. And the sticker. Here is the key. It is very light. I am not used to light keyboards. That is the board. I love how the keycaps look. Yeah, it is very bright. Very, very, very bright. It has feet. They are all rubber feet. They're not like plastic or anything. They have all rubber feet. Which is cool. Man, I am not used to a keyboard this sized. So you've got your function row up here. Page down, page up. Lighting. I'm not sure what that is. Home and insert delete. There's no print screen, unfortunately. We're going to do a little bit of a sound test here. This is my main keyboard. This is a Redragon K550 with Echo Lavender Purples and lubed stabilizers and Band-Aid modded on the spacebar. Alright, this is my first time typing on this in a linear switch, too. Oh, wow, it's heavier than I thought. Oh, whoa. Very deep spacebar, but I do believe I will be able to fix that. I do also want to take a look at the keycaps. Ooh, that took a bit to get off. Yeah, so these are reds. They're heavier than I thought they would be, if I'm honest. Yeah, they're very heavy. Yeah, it's definitely something to get used to. I mean, yeah, they're a lot. But it's maybe because I'm used to the low profile switches and the Corsair Up X. Oh, it's a 75 gram bottom out. At least for cherry reds. So 45 gram actuation force and then 75 gram bottom out. Peak tactile force of 50. Yeah, so these are like 15 grams lighter. Alright, let's get a switch removal here. My switch puller is very messed up from when I was trying to remove the old switches from my Redragon. Alright. So I got the switch out. And I'm going to take a switch out on the K550 just to get a little bit of a comparison. These ones definitely seem wider. They've got a north-facing LED. Let's get this plugged in. I'm not sure how long this cable is. Oh, there it goes. Wow, that's bright. This is a bright keyboard. If you are not a heavy typer, this is going to be very, very hard for you to get used to. Let's take a look at the lighting. Okay, give me the user manual. Okay, so function, alt. Okay. That is fast. Alright. Oh, wow. Alright. Alright, so we've just got a standard RGB here. Let me turn my light off. This is kind of like the windmill effect. It's like up and down. Okay, like a ripple effect. The little explosion effect. Kind of like a collision. Okay. Oh, wow. This is much better than the Redragon's version of this. Alright. Looks like this is just straight up RGB. Breathing effect. This one's just a color shift. This again. So this is kind of like this setting on my regular keyboard. The lighting on this is much better than on that. But it could also be because I have purple cased switches there. More kind of a windmill effect. Are we back to the start? Okay, no, we're to here now. This is cool. This is just random coloration. Oh, interesting. Their lighting has gotten so much better. This is just individual lighting. Oh, it's a different color every time. Where do we go? Hello, my name is Graham. How are you doing today? Yeah, it just lights up differently every time. And then we're back to here. Now I do want to get their software. Okay. So it's got 2 different profiles. Alright, let's see. Self-define. Oh, it's got perky! Oh, wait. Does it have perky? It does! It does have perky RGB. Oh man, I wish this keyboard had it. But I mean, if I want to make it exactly like my keyboard, this is my first keyboard with perky RGB lighting. So I can make it all red just like that. These keycaps are nice. I love the gray on them. I'm glad I went for the other option was black or white and pink. And I do see screws, so it looks like I'll be able to, you know, get in there and be able to mod it. 8 screws. And it's not overly, like, big with the branding. You've got a little bit of branding on the front there. Your basic stuff on the back. Oh, wow. Yeah, see, I'm not used to this. It's not horrible. Let me try moving this back so I can get a little bit more space. I can definitely see why people use these for gaming now, because oh my gosh, the mouse space I would have is actually insane. Yeah, I really need to get used to this. Yeah, I definitely need some time to get used to this. But it doesn't sound bad at all. Like, let's get that sound test going. I'm sure I might use this for playing games, or if I need a keyboard to like use on a laptop if I ever have one. And I do plan on modding it. I might put in some like jelly whites or a different type of linear in here. Yeah, this was just meant to be a very short stream to showcase the keyboard. I really like it. It's cute. It's very, very cute. So in the time since, I have modded the keyboard a little bit. I've done nothing to the switches themselves, but I have lubed and holy modded all the stabilizers, and I have foam modded the case. Do be aware, I did notice this between the K550 and the K617. These earlier Redragon keyboards have very flat LEDs, which is probably why they're not as bright, whereas these ones have an actual bulb that bulges out, and it makes taking the stabilizers out impossible unless you actually take apart the keyboard. Whereas these, I can just take off the keycaps, take out the switches, and then take out the stabilizers. But here is a sound test. I will get on Monkey Type right now and give you that test.